Grand Risings, everyone. My name is Everything Renee, and today we are getting ready to go on a spiritual retreat. I'm super excited. Myself and three of my very good friends are getting ready to go up to the mountains. We're gonna get together and get our minds right in this Mercury retrograde. Y'all, I'm so excited for this trip, and we're just gonna get together and motivate, manifest, uplift one another, pour into each other spiritually, emotionally. And I think that this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and set really good intentions for myself, to make sure that once I return back to my house, I'm ready to get with it. It's a time to release, and I'm really excited because, y'all, I got a bunch of shit to motherfucking release. Okay, it's shit I'm about to definitely leave up in these mountains because I can't bring it back. I'm actually tired of it being latched on to me, but I'm definitely gonna use this time wisely because, y'all, I be in my head so much, and being in your head allows for self-doubt to creep in. And I know I talked about this in one of my past vlogs. If you have not checked out any of the past videos, y'all go ahead and catch up. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Definitely go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. But to be in the mountains surrounded by nature, I'm just ecstatic. It's been a minute. Quarantine has had us motherfucking down. I live in the city, so I'm ready to hear some birds, motherfucking bear growling. I don't motherfucking know. I just know I'm really excited. And if you guys want to see how it goes, meet my friends and just be with us for the weekend, I guess, definitely stay tuned. Okay, so far I got all my stuff packed. Yeah, I'm taking this stuff and this stuff. I'm still doing some last minute running around. I've already been to Target. My friend is gonna be here probably within the next hour. Her plan lands, and then we're going to go ahead and go grocery shopping for the cabin and head to the mountains, guys. I'm so excited. It's gonna be an all vegan diet, and I'm really excited about that because, y'all, I gotta take some shit out my diet. I felt like I've been eating really good, but I definitely need to work a little bit more on it. Unfortunately, I have been experiencing some symptoms as far as my multiple sclerosis goes. It's not very often that I experience symptoms because I go so long without feeling anything. So when I finally do, I'm like thrown the fuck off. Just the other day, this is day 3 of me having MS hugs, and that's a symptom that I just can't fucking stand. Thankfully, it's not followed by any pain, just very, very uncomfortable. Just to help you understand what an MS hug is or even feels like, it feels like I'm wearing a waist trainer all day. Like, my torso is being squeezed. It feels like somebody's laying on my stomach. So my skin to the touch is very, like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like if I close my eyes and touch my stomach, if I separate my thoughts and connect with my arm, then it's so weird. It's like if I close my eyes and I rub on my stomach, then my arm knows that I'm touching something, but my stomach doesn't know if it's getting touched. I don't know. It's so hard to describe. It's so frustrating. Like, what? When your body goes through pains or aches or, you know, sharp pains, when my body goes through pains, aches, stabbing, dull ache, whatever, that's how I know something is not going on right in my body. My body is fighting. It's at war right now because I'm experiencing symptoms. Sometimes I go for days and weeks without feeling anything regarding multiple sclerosis, trigeminal neuralgia, but I'm pretty sure that it's something that I was doing. I have not been eating the best in the past couple of weeks, ever since my birthday. You know, it only takes one time for you to taste some shit that you should not be eating for it to knock you off of your diet. I've been really busy and I've chosen convenience over nutrients, and that's not good. At this point, I've just kind of learned my body, and I know what the fuck going on, okay? So I advise anybody out there, whether you living with a chronic illness, whatever, or not, get to know your body. That's really important, you know? Look what I got. This is called Focus. It's a tincture made from mushroom extract. This was actually recommended to me by one of my friends that's actually going on this trip. So this has a natural herb in it called lion's mane. It supports brain health, memory function, cognitive stimulation, nervous system health, creativity, and clarity. Y'all, it don't sound like some shit I need? I just take it, put it on under my tongue. I'm going one more. Why not? It definitely doesn't taste good, but I don't give a damn what tastes good. If it's gonna make me feel good, let me get that. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have to whisper because I'm in this bomb ass nature. Me and some friends drove up to Blue Ridge Mountains in Georgia, and that's what we're here doing, just vibing out. I'm definitely enjoying my time though. So yeah, I guess furthermore may just be a bunch of montage clips of my time spent here in Blue Ridge Mountains. So yeah, look at what I'm looking at. Hey guys, I'm back at home. My stomach hurt. You see, I'm falling all over the place. This is how it normally is in the morning when I first wake up. I gotta go to the bathroom. I don't even know what the footage looks like because we just did a lot of relaxing. It really wasn't much to show, honestly. And yeah, maybe I'll, you know, I just wanted to focus on what we were there for, the true matter at hand, and I did. And I like that. Probably only have like scenic pictures, food. I didn't even take video and pictures of all the food that we had. It was just amazing. Everything, the whole entire meal, from the things that we snacked on, from dinner, breakfast, lunch, all that was all served vegan, and I love that.